Yeah, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Eddie Scott, Say Less Ed, back with another one. For those of y'all who are not sleeping under a rock, IG Threads is the latest social media app to hit the block, and it's been causing a lot of news, controversy, basically posing itself as a direct competitor to Twitter amidst all the Elon and Mark Zuckerberg beef, whatever they got going on, I don't know. But just for context, the last major social media app that was launched was Be Real, and that was back in 2020. That's 3 years ago at this point. TikTok was launched back in 2016, so it's been a while since we've had a major social media app come. So we've been due for a new platform such as Threads. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 ways to use Threads to market and promote your clothing brand. For those of y'all who don't know me, my name is Eddie Scott, co-founder of the Say Less Lifestyle clothing brand. Founded Say Less Lifestyle 3 years ago with my cousin Say Less Trent. Since then, we grew the brand to become a 6-figure business with over 500,000 followers on TikTok, 70K on Instagram, all that good stuff, right? And everything that I learned in the process, the good, bad, the ugly, right? All the successes and mistakes, I'm here to share with you guys through this YouTube channel. So be sure to leave a like for YouTube algorithm, subscribe, do all that good YouTube stuff. But without any further ado, let's talk about how to use Instagram Threads to blow up your clothing brand. All right, so I'm gonna screen record my screen for you guys, show you guys what Threads looks like. So it's very similar to Instagram in terms of the theme, I guess, the aesthetic. But as you see, it basically looks like Twitter, right? So you scroll and it's literally called Threads, right? Just like Twitter Threads. So you scroll, you see people, they can have text, right? They can put pictures. I even heard you could do videos, right? Take a look at my profile, right? I haven't posted anything yet. I got to figure out what I'm gonna post for you guys on there. But it's a very simple platform. Like I said, very similar to Twitter. But the main reason why Instagram has added this into their suite of apps, right? Why they didn't just stick with Instagram, why they're creating this new Threads app is to emphasize conversation. Now, I was doing some research before I made this video, right? And they really want to push this app to really foster conversation and communication, right? Other platforms like Instagram, TikTok are more content focused, right? Where they want Threads to be really conversation and community focused, to build community through those conversations. So we're saying all of that fun stuff when it comes to your clothing brand, right? What are the 3 ways that we're going to use this app to market your clothing brand? And I will say that at the time of recording this video, the app literally just came out today on Thursday. So the app could look a bit different, in the coming weeks and months, right? And we're going to learn new features as they come along. But just me looking at the platform as a whole, right, I see potential. And so here are the 3 ways that I see using IG Threads to promote your clothing brand. So the number 1 way is to promote new drops, right? So let's say you already have an existing audience from Instagram, right? And this is the beautiful thing with Threads. You can import all of your followers, all the people that you already follow from Instagram on to Threads, right? And it makes it very easy for your Instagram followers to find you on Threads. So if you have a pre-existing audience, even if you don't, Threads seems like it would be a pretty good platform for finding other people organically, so people can find you even if they don't already follow you, right? And so you can use Threads to promote new drops, right? What may this look like? Let's say you have a new drop for a hoodie that's coming out, right? You could be posting on Threads and really, like I said, really be conversation focused, right? So instead of just spamming people, say, hey, here's my hoodie, it's coming out soon, it's coming out soon. Like really get behind the story, the message, the meaning behind the hoodie. Conversate with your followers. You could tell them the story behind what your hoodie's about. Let's say you put out 3 posts a day, you put out 3 threads a day, and you're just talking about the story behind the drop, really getting people excited about it. And you could maybe leave like a little link under the text, right? Where it's like, join this text list, right? If you want to stay update on the drop, whatever it may be, right? Really use this to promote your drops effectively. Just like people do with their clothing brands on Twitter, right? Where they'll promote weeks, days up to the launch, and when the launch day comes, boom, maybe you have like a passcode that you drop on this Threads app where only your followers can see the passcode to enter the website. Really just get creative. But that's the first way I want to share with you guys on how you can use this app to promote your clothing brand, really promoting your drops efficiently and effectively, right? Really making it exciting and engaging for your community, which is really what this all comes down to, as you see in the other 2 steps. Really just building a community with your brand, right? So many people, when it comes to their clothing brand, they just want the money. They just want the attention. They just want the fame and whatever comes with having a brand, right? But they're not interested in serving the people. You got to serve the people when it comes to having your brand. Number 2 way that you can use this app to blow up your clothing brand is ads. Now, when I was doing my research for this video, I did see that the people over at Meta and Instagram said that ads won't be a major priority on Threads right now. But in the coming months, whatever it may be, however long it may be, ads are definitely going to be a major part of Threads, as they are with any other social media platform, right? That's how these platforms make their money. And so eventually, whenever Threads becomes available for advertising, you will be able to run ads for your clothing brand on this platform. Now, I've made many videos in the past about running ads for Instagram, TikTok, and so I'm sure with Threads, it will be no different. So that's the number 2 way. Be on the lookout soon. Whenever they start releasing rollouts for advertising on Threads, you can be first and foremost to get on there. I'm sure they'll probably do it through the Facebook ad manager or Meta ad manager, whatever it's called now, as they do with Instagram, right? So be on the lookout for that. But that's the number 2 way that you will be able to blow up your clothing brand with IG Threads. Last one, number 3, wrapping it all up, communicating with your audience, right? You can't just put out a brand and just use people to try to take their money from them so you can sell them a product. No, it's all about building that authentic relationship with the customers. When you look at the best brands, you look at some videos I put out, somebody like Wild SK, right? People buy the brand literally because of him, right? Yes, the merch may be fire, but if he wasn't behind the brand, people wouldn't buy. It's because of the relationship that he's built through his content, just through who he is, right? So you can use Threads for your own brand to build that relationship with your customers. And that doesn't mean you need to text every single one or reply to every single one, whatever it may be. But you really just want to be at the forefront of your brand, right? You are the brand. You are the number 1 spokesperson for your brand. So you could be on a platform such as Threads, replying to comments, putting out content, asking people what they want to see, right? So many people put out a brand and start putting out designs. They don't even know what their target audience wants. They don't even know who the target audience is. You have to know who your target audience is. You got to know how to speak their language. With a platform such as IG Threads, that's really going to help you to connect with your fans who really like your brand. You're going to be able to see what the people want. You can run polls. Let's say you got 3 ideas for a design coming out, right? Take them all to Threads, and then you can run a poll, right? Which one you're rocking with most, right? And a reply to comments, see what other ideas people have. Like, just have fun with your brand, like I say, and really just engage with your audience. The more that you engage with your audience, the more your audience is going to engage with you. That's all I have for now. Like I said, Threads will probably, definitely be evolving as time goes on, just like with any social media platform. But I just want to put this video out while all the hype is going on right now, because it literally just dropped. But hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like for YouTube algorithm. Let me know in the comments down below what other video ideas y'all want to see from me. Be sure to tap with the Brand Vault. Waitlist is down below, link in the description. Let's get after it. Have a great day. Let's go.